Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the maintenance levels on your ECOVACS X1 Turbo. You can check the maintenance levels to know whether or not you should clean something or replace some items in your robot. To do it, go to the settings in top right corner, then maintenance, and now you can see the state of your side brushes, main brush, filter, other components, or wash mop. You can also click on that. When you replace it, click on replace. You'll see how long has it worked for and how many hours does it have remaining, and it's for all of these components. So you can also go to ECOVACS cleaning solution to know how to use it to put it in the clean water tank. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.